Om Namah Shivaya. Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya. Guruji Sada Sahai. Man of medicine bows to faith. Satsang as narrated of Dr. INDER Mohan Bhatia, MBBS, DOMS, MS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Dr. Inder Mohan Bhatia was born into a well-to-do business family of Punjab. His father, elected mayor of the Amritsar Municipal Corporation a record number of times, had a passion for serving the downtrodden, which his son inherited. It influenced his decision to study medicine, and he successfully graduated from the Government Medical College in Amritsar in 1962. 4 years later, a young man of 30 years, he had done his Master of Surgery from AIIMS. His specialty was in dealing with ocular trauma, and he rose to head the study of that discipline in AIIMS. The doctor naturally imbibed a strong scientific background and an utter faith in the existence of its immutable laws. Then, in the year 2002, something happened to effect a sea change. He went to see Guruji along with his daughter in law. He recounts the experience in his own words. We were total strangers. Tea was served to all. I accepted the same, but she, the daughter in law, refused. Guruji saw this and immediately said, "This is not tea, but your medicine. You will be blessed with a son, and that's why you have come to me." My daughter in law had been married for the last 4 years, and the best specialists had already told us all that it would be very difficult, if not impossible, for her to conceive. This had upset her. Here, we were taken aback as nobody knew about her problem. About after 1 month, she conceived and was blessed with a beautiful son. All my doctor friends who knew about her problem told me that it was indeed a miracle. The doctor's faith in the hitherto fixed laws of science was shaken. He says it was very hard for him to accept and rationalize phenomenon that he happened to witness in the presence of Guruji. He was recovering from an overdose of scientific rationalism when another instance of Guruji's divine intercession occurred. His daughter in law's grandmother, a 70-year-old lady who was severely diabetic, developed an acute backache and paralysis, was attacking her lower legs. She could not move about easily. She was examined by the cream of AIIMS neurologists. They took a battery of tests, including an MRI, and advised immediate surgery to save her from complete paralysis. The date of the surgery had been fixed when I brought her to Guruji, the doctor recounts. Before leaving, I asked Guruji to bless her so that the surgery would be successful. He looked at me and said very humbly, "What sort of surgery?" He pointed out that he had already taken prasad and that she would be okay now. So we postponed surgery and she started recovering. In a few weeks, she was perfectly normal. Dr. Bhatia says that over the years, he has seen many more amazing cures. Severe cardiac problems as well as malignancies have been cured due to Guruji's grace. Miracles happen even without bringing problems to Guruji's notice. But Dr. Bhatia believes that for Guruji to help anyone, one must have complete faith, patience, and a capacity to surrender. Guruji's greatest gift to him has been a total transformation of his personality. My life has become full of peace and tranquility, notes Dr. Bhatia. He has provided me with an anchor and an unflinching belief in the existence of a divine order. Anantam Shukrana, Guru Maharaj.